Hi, now I will show you how to delete multiple files of the same type on Mac. I mean, here has many VTT files which I want to delete with one command. Suppose here has 78 VTTS files. To do it, at first I have to open the terminal. I have opened the terminal in my screen, and now I have to copy the file path. To do it, I will click here, right click here and copy the file path, I mean folder path. Anyway, now I am in terminal and write cd, paste the file path, click enter or return in Mac and type rm star dot vtt. I have to zoom out the screen so that you can watch clearly. I have written rm star dot vtt. Now I click on the enter and instantly you see that all VTTS files are gone from the folder. It is the way through Mac. If you want to know the procedure from me for your Windows machine, please put a comment. I will make another new video. Thank you.